Added a little bit down here, you can see, again, I'm taking just a little bit of that bronze on my palette knife, very little amount, and I'm just going to slide it kind of over, lightly over texture to pick up in a couple of spots the tiniest bit of that. We don't want a ton of it. It's just going to catch the light and add just a little warmth to this painting. So that is really all I'm doing in a couple of areas, especially where the texture is very high. In some of these areas around my canvas, just take a small palette knife, a very small amount of that, and you can skip this step if you don't like it, don't want to do it, or use a different color. And I'm just working to apply a little bit. A little goes a long